So today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of Spellblock Academy, which is a game on the ABC educational website. I'm going to be talking about its purpose, its effectiveness, and basically how the game works. So we'll start with how the game works. It opens up to the front page, which is where it's like a little wizard comes out and explains that you're in a vortex and you're trying to finish these spelling words, so in the end you can make it to the end of the vortex or further into the vortex. So basically you start on level 1, which is air. You get a word that's missing a letter and you have to move the spare letter into the word by thinking quickly to do so, obviously. Further into the levels, it gets more difficult. There's two words or two letters that need to go into the vortex, which gives you points. You also can collect coins, which adds a bit of competition to the game. They're also further into the game. There's a time pressure cooker because there are little skulls that eat your letters unless you get them into the vortex quickly, so that's always good to add a bit of time pressure when answering simple questions like these. I think the purpose of the game is to try and get kids to think of spelling as something that should be automatic. Like, you have a word and you should know that the P goes there, and then as it gets harder there's two letters and it should be an automatic, I know the M goes there and the O goes there as an automatic assumption because I know what that word's saying without having to spell it out, which I think is what the game is actually aiming to embed in the minds of the kids, and I think it's quite effective in doing that because you have lives, which adds a bit of pressure because you don't want to lose your lives. You have coins, you have time pressure, and you have you have to also obviously I accidentally put the U there because I wasn't concentrating on what I'm doing, so it makes you actually concentrate on what the word is and where the letters go, which is I think what its initial purpose is.